With the spring sewn to the burlap, I'll pull back around 12 inches of twine, and I'll fold it back and make 2 loops for a double return. I'll start tying with the long cord, and I'm dropping down to the 3rd coil. Push the spring in place to where I need it. I'm just going to do a wrap around here because I may need to adjust this. Waxed cord is kind of stubborn to work with. Alright, let's see how that looks. And I'm going to go just a little bit more. Okay, that looks good, so I'll tie it off here on the top. With the first spring tied, I'll pull the twine down over the tops of the springs back towards my tack point on the frame. That way I can slide these forward, backwards, line them up, looking down through the center, making sure they're upright. Pinch it here and tie it off. When I got to the top row of springs, I tied off my knot here, made the adjustable slip down here on the 3rd coil, tacked to the frame, did a wrap around the tack and returned over the top. I'll go back to the bottom springs, pull this top coil down and do my return tie over the top. When I'm tying off with this last knot, I like to bring it over the top, and as I come around, I like to pick up on that first line of cord, and then pull my knot around, and it brings these 2 together. When wrapping the tack for the return cord, it's important to put the return to the bottom side and ensure that it doesn't slip out from underneath. With the horizontal tie in place, I'll pull the twine down and get things squared up, wrap the tack for return tie. Again, when I wrap the tack, I'm going to bring the cord to the underside. Then I'll adjust this to the right tension. Bring that all the way around and drive it in place. All right, that's a wrap on the back springs.